Welcome to Super Top. Today we're comparing two innovative cordless stick vacuums from Tineco, the A11 and the S11. Whether you're a pet owner looking for a hassle-free clean or a tech enthusiast eager for smart cleaning features, this video will break down everything you need to know about these two models. And remember, the links to access the best prices for both products are in the video description. Similarities. Cordless convenience. Both vacuums offer the freedom of cordless cleaning, allowing you to maneuver effortlessly around your home without the hassle of cords. Versatile cleaning capabilities. Designed for hard floors, hardwoods, laminates, and multi-surface cleaning, each model easily converts from a stick vacuum to a handheld cleaner with a variety of attachments. Efficient filtration. Each unit features a multi-stage filtration system to capture dust and allergens. They are engineered to improve air quality by trapping particles as small as 0.3 microns. LED lighting. Both vacuums come equipped with LED headlights to illuminate hidden dirt and debris, ensuring you never miss a spot. Wall-mounted dock. For convenient storage and charging, each model includes a wall-mounted dock, keeping your device accessible and your space tidy. Battery-powered and 120 volts. They are both designed to operate on battery power at 120 volts, making them ideal for everyday use around the home. Remember, the links to purchase both products at the best price are in the video description. Differences. Runtime. The A11 offers up to 35 minutes of runtime, while the S11 extends that to an impressive 40 minutes, which can be a decisive factor for larger cleaning jobs. Weight. With a weight of 5.6 pounds, the A11 is notably lighter and may be easier to handle, especially when switching to handheld mode. The S11, weighing 7.05 pounds, offers robust performance with a slightly heftier build. Motor and suction technology. The A11 is powered by a 450-watt brushless motor and features zero-tangle brush technology, making it an excellent option for pet hair without the hassle of tangled bristles. In contrast, the S11 is built around a high-performance digital motor that delivers 130 watts of strong suction, coupled with iLoop smart sensor technology to automatically adjust suction power in real time. Smart features and display. One of the standout differences is the S11's onboard LED display, which monitors cleaning progress, battery levels, and suction performance. The A11, while equipped with LED headlights, does not offer this level of interactive feedback. Again, remember that the links to purchase both products at the best price are in the video description. To wrap things up, if you're looking for a lightweight, pet-friendly vacuum with innovative zero-tangle brush technology, the Tineco A11 is a fantastic choice. On the other hand, if smart features like the iLoop sensor, an informative LED display, and a longer runtime are what you need for a more tailored cleaning experience, the Tineco S11 stands out as the superior option. For the best deals on these Tineco models, be sure to check the links in the video description below. Remember to like the video, comment, and activate the notification bell. See you at the next Super Top.